Hello guys, welcome to this amazing channel. This is Quebec, the only and unique token. Today we see how we can use tensorflow.js to display a specific shape, a heart. But if this is your first time coming here, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to this channel. As I said, we will see how to display a heart. But you might wonder, what kind of heart is he talking about? A broken heart, a loving heart? Well, I don't know which one is going to be, but believe me, it's going to be a heart anyway. So while doing this tutorial, I forgot the mathematical formula of a heart and Wikipedia came to my rescue. So you find a link of the heart formula in the description below. So to be able to use this mathematical formula to display the shape, we'll need to write code directly on the WebGL backend. This formula is a bit long, but here it is. S square plus y square minus radius square, everything to the power of 3 minus s cube times y square times the radius. This formula is a bit long, but don't worry, I will have it here in the code and share it as a gist in the description below. So now we'll try to compile this code. So here is the tensor of height 300, of width 400, with 3 channels, and then we try to compile the shader, and we'll try to create the canvas element and display it, appending it in the body. So now if we try to run a server to run this content, and if you navigate to the URL of the server, we will see that we have a hat. Now let's try to go to the next level and try to display our hat on a certain background. So for that one, we'll need to set the transparency to a different value than 255. So here we'll try to set the transparency to 100. And then we'll try to use an image in the background. So here we have our image that will serve as the background image, and we try to create a tensor out of it when this image has completed to be loaded. And we'll reshape this tensor with the shape 400 and 300. This will be our initial image, our background image, and we try to create a second image, and then we try to draw the heart on this second image. So we create this TF1's tensor, and then with this tensor we'll give it to our backend, which will use the heart that we displayed initially and draw that heart on the second tensor. So we'll display the first tensor here by appending to the body element, and later on we'll display also the second tensor that contains our heart and appending to the second tensor to our body element. So now if you navigate to the URL of our server, we will see that we have our heart that is displayed on the background.
I hope you like this tutorial, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I keep on uploading content every week and I don't want you to miss any of the amazing content here. Until the next one. See you guys.